Hey guys, so today we are meeting with Nayu, which is our agent. We are at the Taka Haus building. This is one of the condos we are interested in, and we are in the Ekkamai district. So we're waiting for our agent to come, and then we'll take you in and check out this condo in this building.
Hello.
Hey.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Yes.
So guys, this is Nayu. He's our agent today with Nayu Home Agent, right? And he'll be taking us around. We're starting here at Taka Haus, right?
Yes, Ekkamai.
In Ekkamai.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get started. So tell me about the neighborhood. How is Ekkamai? Is it a nice neighborhood?
It's a nice neighborhood. It's like in the central Bangkok.
Area?
Yeah, central Bangkok. So close to Thong Lo, Phrom Phong, Aso.
Okay.
So this area is prime area.
Ah.
This is low-rise building.
A low-rise building.
Yeah. So let's see the amenity.
Oh,
Lobby.
this is nice. Look at the decor. I was looking up this building and it said it's very Japanese-esque, like the design. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. The decor is really nice. And it's quiet. Oh, but this is beautiful. So how far is this from the BTS station?
This one is around, let's say 5 minutes from bike. Walking around 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Ah, this is beautiful. This is all the mailboxes. So what is this space?
This space is like co-working space.
It's a co-working space?
Yes, but let's see this side.
Okay. Oh, hey, this is a game room. You can play ping pong.
You have to have a racket.
Oh, the paddles.
Yeah.
They even have trainers here, like bike trainers. Oh, this is neat. And this is like the retro bikes. Oh, wow. This is very different. Like this design is very different.
Yes.
Oh, this is a co-kitchen. I guess you can hang out with people here, cook, because all that stuff. Oh, this is nice.
So you can work.
Yes, this
You
is a
can work
nice
here.
chill spot, right? They have the TV. Oh, they have a second door too. They have a nice TV, real comfortable chairs. Oh, this is nice. They even have like cooktops and a sink. Nice. And also a second TV. Oh yeah. Yeah, we can have get-togethers here. We can have get-togethers. We can invite friends and have a
fridge.
good. That is nice.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we can kind of cross people off or give them a question mark.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Circling back on
This way.
Okay. Here, and the grounds look beautiful. So, I got little hammocks. This is zen. This is zen though. This is very nice. See, they have the nice little styro case. This is beautiful. Look at this. Babe, this could be a little spot. Right? They have the couch, the TV. This is a tree house.
Yes. You can try to sit there. You can take a picture, or you can sleep there.
Right. Oh, look at this. Oh, this makes me nervous. But yeah. Oh, I thought it was just like a little patio, but you can actually lay here and chill. Oh, oh, oh. No, this is beautiful. You have a nice little view. All this greenery is calming. It's zen. I love it. Wow. Man, I'm loving this place already. I'm liking this place already.
I wait upstairs.
All right, so we're gonna check out the amenities here and see what they look like.
Already get warm up.
Yeah. 6 to 10, that's nice. Okay. It's a little small. Babe, for you, they had a little. Stands.
Hey, remember what I taught you?
I know. Okay.
What I taught you?
Am I doing it right? No. He shows me how to box. He boxes all the time now.
But good form, good.
Yeah. But this is a bit small. I was expecting more. Wow. I like the scenery, the greenery. Hey, this is a shampoo plant. So this is the roof garden. It feels very zen, very nice, very calm. Wait, let's see what's around this corner. Oh, it's just, you can sit and chill. Okay. Oh, all right, this is the pool. All right. It's nice. You can sit in the pool and relax. If you don't want to fully get totally wet, you know, keep your foot cool. It's shallow. They only have one pool? This is the only one pool?
There's only one pool here.
Okay.
It has a treadmill under the water over there.
Ah, you have a treadmill. That's good for your joints. Because, you know, we're getting old. So we need to
What?
exercise. Yeah. No, but this is nice. I do like it. I felt like, I don't know, maybe a bigger pool.
Very quiet.
But
Very
that's,
quiet.
you know what, every time we come and look at pools and stuff, there's nobody ever in it, like very rare.
Always.
Anybody's ever using it. But it's convenient. They have a bathroom right off, you know, the pool area. So that's good. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you're planning to relocate anywhere in the world and want it smooth and stress-free, head over to takandbean.com to grab your move abroad guides, including one made just for Thailand. You'll also find AI travel prompts and detailed itineraries, plus our AI YouTube blueprint to help you build, automate, and grow your channel like a pro. Links in the description. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe.
Let's see the unit first.
Oh, okay.
Brand new room, you see plastic, so no one went there.
So he's gonna. Nice. Okay. So we gotta say. Oh, okay. So, oh, this is beautiful. How many square meters is this?
Big, right?
Yes.
Let me check. 60 square meters.
60 square meters. So we have the dining room. Oh, let's go into the kitchen real quick. And it has a washer, a lot of storage. This is a brand new unit. You can see all the paper and on the door. All the paper still on the cabinets. Wow. There's a cooktop. I guess space for a little microwave. Look at all the cabinet space though. You know? Wow. Oh, I like this, babe. I like this. Let's check the balcony. Oh yeah, babe, I love that it's a low rise because you know we didn't want anything that was too high. Even pre-earthquake, we didn't want anything too high. But oh, this is nice.
Nice.
All right. This TV is huge. Look, it has a nice little chase. Can I tell you, every couch I sit on in Thailand is hard. Every single one.
Even mattress.
Yeah.
But in Thailand, we use like
But you
hard
know,
mattress.
I'm getting used to it. The mattress is actually good for my back. You know? The decor is nice, very retro. Did you see this TV? Look how nice this TV is, how big this is. And more storage. I like that it has a lot of storage here.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a beautiful place. Let's go. Oh, this is the bathroom. Oh, look at that. More storage. Now this is nice. Let's see the shower. Oh, that's a typical bathroom. Oh, but it has two heads. It has like a handheld one and then the, the waterfall. Babe, I like this one. I like this. There's even more storage down here too. I don't know if you see that. Yeah. This is nice. Wow. So wait, is this 2 bedrooms?
It's 2 bedrooms.
It's 2 bedrooms.
2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms?
Yes, 2 bed, 2 bath.
Wow. So this is the first bedroom. And this is look like a queen size or a full size bed?
It's queen.
Oh, queen.
Queen. This is the second bedroom, the
Okay.
master bedroom inside.
Okay, yeah. But it's big enough because a lot of the rooms even have the second room be big enough for, a little desk, a little chair. Oh, that's awesome. And then you have your own, closet space. Yeah, this is nice. Extra pillows. Look at this, babe. I like the decor, the detail. The owner was thoughtful. In the newer buildings, I feel like look at this. This is so nice. Why I gotta go in the corner? Why I gotta go in the corner to make sure? But this is a big room for Bangkok standards, right?
Yes.
Wow, you have your little nightstand that has drawers too. I'm always looking for storage. I'm always looking for storage where I could put stuff. Doc always complains about that, right? I find everywhere to put stuff. But no, this is beautiful. And the sun, you wake up and you wake up to the sun, right? It's just wakes you up. Oh man. All right, let me see what the closet space is looking like. That's important. Although you can have the closet space in the guest bedroom, and I can have. You know how we do, babe. You know how. Oh, this is nice. It has room for the suitcases and your clothes. And it has a little desk. This is very roomy. All right, let's check out this second bathroom. Babe, look how you push the light. This is fancy. This ain't no regular switch. This is fancy. So this is beautiful. Look at this. They have 2, like his and hers, a Jack and Jill medicine cabinet, not sink. And look at they have like the heated seats, keeping your booty warm. And then the shower, this is a walk-in shower with the same handheld and waterfall. But babe, Look behind you. It comes with a tub. Wow. It's a bit teeny. I could fit in here though, but you can't. Your legs don't fit in here, but you can. You probably can because it's deep, you know? Babe, and it has, like, am I new to this? Or do tubs come with the shower head? Maybe I'm new to this. But, oh, babe, this is nice. This is nice. All right. Now, how much is this unit? Don't look at me like that.
What do you think?
I would say like
22,000.
USD?
no, but probably like
22.
28.
It's 60 square meter, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I will tell you in the central, 1 square meter, 1,000
Really?
in the central for the new
Okay.
condo.
So
For the
when you
new
say
condo.
central, that's like Ekkamai and what other
Thong
area?
Lo, Pham Phong, also.
So this is 50, 60 baht.
Yeah. 55,000 baht.
55,000.
1,700 USD.
Oh, okay. Nice. So we know what this looks like, how far your money will go. 60 meters, 50,000 baht. You know, this is nice. This is nice.
Yeah.